guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. Boxycharm is here, but before we jump into this month's box, a little disclaimer, Boxycharm did send me this box to try. So opening up this month's box, we have the product card, and this month's theme is Strut Your Runway. All right, so the first product in this month's Boxycharm box is the Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette, and this is the Symphony Palette. You guys, this palette is so gorgeous. I have it on my eyes today, and it is just so stunning. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this palette for you guys so you can see what we're working with. So there is the first shade, second shade, which is matte. Let's kind of build that up a little bit. The middle shade, which is a highlight. Blinding. Fourth shade, which is a really pretty kind of berry color. And then the last shade, which is a dark, deep kind of berry red. Super pretty palette. And as you can tell, it looks even more stunning on the eyes. The Ofra Cosmetics Symphony Signature Palette retails for $32. Next in the box, we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And you guys, this is a great mascara. The wand just coats every single lash perfectly. And this is going to give you fuller, more defined, more longer lashes. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara retails for $28. Next in this month's Boxycharm box is the Ciete London Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. And this is gonna give your cheeks a glowy, glass-like, dewy appearance. It has plumping hyaluronic acid and brightening vitamin C, as well as yuzu extract, dragon fruit extract, and vitamin E. So not only is it going to look good on the cheeks, but it's also good for the skin as well. The Ciete London Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow retails for $24. Next in this month's Boxycharm box is the Glow on Fifth Beauty Bye Bye Puffy Eyes. And this has caffeine, shea butter, berry extract. It's formulated for all skin types, and it's going to leave the under eye area very hydrated, moisturized, glowy, and cool. It also helps reduce the look of like bags and dark circles, so that's a plus. The Glow on Fifth Beauty Bye Bye Puffy Eyes retails for $24. Next in this month's box is one of my favorite products that I've tried in this month's box, and it is the Tint Phantom Liner. This is a liquid dip liner. And the tip on this, you guys, is so precise that you can get those fine lines. Like perfect for graphic liner. Plus the black is like super, super black. You don't have to keep dipping in and going over the same line 100 times because once it hits your skin, that pigment is there. And I do have this on today. As you can see, those lines are like so precise. The Tint Phantom Liner retails for $18. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Boxycharm box. I am loving all of the products in this month's box, as usual. Boxycharm is such a great way to find out about brands or products that you might not have known about before, and such a great way to get goodies delivered to your front door every single month. I never knew that Tint Beauty existed, so that's a new one for me, and I never would have tried the eyeliner out if it wasn't for Boxycharm. So I have Boxycharm to thank for putting me on to a new product. You guys, if you would like to get your Boxycharm today, you can use my link to shop. I do make a little bit of money from that link, but you'd be helping me out as well as getting your Boxycharm. So head on over and pick up your Boxycharm today. I just want to say a big thank you to Boxycharm for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.